Hello everyone, Jeff Mahina here from Muslim Cebu, 100 manager of NMM Global Community Philippines. This is my video tutorial on how to provide help or how to dispatch your bitcoins to your assigned participant of your provide help. So first of all, you need to log into your mmoffice.com, then to your blockchain. So it must be ready para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-transact mo. Okay, so simple lang po. Example, participant Diva Georgia requested to provide help 25,000 last August 11, 2015, and today August 14, 2015, so around 3 days after, dumating na po yung assigned participant sa kanyang provide help. And these people, Mark, Akit, Mike Davis, Kuno Alpha, Gwen Carlo, are participants who are requesting to get help. So, ganito lang po ang sistema ng MMM. So, if you provide help, then the system will assign you a participant who are requesting to get help. And if you are requesting to get help, then there will be a participant who will be assigned to you to provide help to your request. So this tutorial is about dispatching your provide help. Okay, so simple lang po. After mo talagin sa dashboard mo, makita mo ito. So ang gawin mo lang is click the details of your recipient. Since you are requesting to provide help, then time to dispatch your bitcoins, since we are using bitcoins to transfer our money. So ito po ang proseso, tamang proseso ng pagbigay mo ng bitcoins mo sa recipient. Okay, so once again, just click the details and then copy the bitcoin address of your recipient. So save mo lang yan, then right click, then copy. Then go to your blockchain wallet, then click send money. Okay, then paste the bitcoin address of your recipient. So as you can see, 14 REE. So this is the bitcoin address of the recipient, Mark. And then this is the bitcoin value of 13,800 right now. So 13,800 pesos. The bitcoin value is 1.12729717. So this is the one na dapat mo i-copy para i-send mo sa recipient mo. So copy mo lang yung BTC value, then paste it here, then change the comma to period for that. Okay, so the equivalent dollar value of the 13,900 pesos is $287.30. Okay, so after that, check mo na yung bitcoin address, 14 REE, then the BTC amount, 13,800, the BTC value is 1.127. Okay, so check na lahat, so just click send payment. Okay, so after that, automatic yung mag-send. At magkikita mo yan kapag mag-send na dito sa my transactions. Okay, so dito na, redact na yung 0.1. So this is around 13,800 or 13,800, yes. Okay, so click mo lang to sa transaction na to, then click mo yung print screen. Okay, print screen sa keyboard mo, then go to paint sa accessories mo, accessories, paint, and select new, then Control V or paste, right click, paste, and then cut mo lang to, or you can send actually this whole page of your screenshot. So para kunti lang yung makikita, so i-cut lang natin. Dito lang po cut, then create new document, then paste. Okay, ito na. Save mo lang yung file as JPEG. So, ang recipient is Mark. So, save natin as Mark. So, I will save it to the desktop para madali lang makita. Okay, Mark. JPEG or PNG is good. Okay, so after that, kumpleto mo na ang send. Back to your dashboard, in ang dashboard. So, click I completed this payment. After that, makikita mo to. So, click mo lang yung browse file. Then, select the document or screenshot mo. Click open. So, automatic yan ma-upload. Then, wait to chat. Please confirm. Or kung rin, hindi ka na mag-chat ito. Hindi sa'yo. So, sa akin, hindi ko na lang please confirm. And then, after that, next mo lang. Next. And then, another next. And yun. Okay, kita mo na, hapit na. So, ito na. Tapos na ang pag-provide help ni Diva Georgia ng more 25,000 sa kanyang expected recipient na nag-gift help. Okay? So, ito lang po kasimple ang sistema ng MMM. You only need to provide help in order to get help. So, join us now to get our content or long live MMM. Thank you.